In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from QuickBooks with ease. Whether you're managing finances for your business or simply keeping track of your personal accounts, exporting data can be incredibly useful for deeper analysis and reporting. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to make this task as straightforward as possible. To begin, you'll first want to open QuickBooks by heading over to qbo.intuit.com. Once you've logged into your account, you'll be greeted by the home page. Now, the home page is essentially your command center, where you can access all your financial data and manage your accounts with just a few clicks. Next, focus your attention on the top right corner of your screen, where you'll find the settings icon. This is your gateway to customizing how QuickBooks works for you. Go ahead and click on the settings gear icon. Once you've accessed the settings menu, you'll see a variety of options. What we're interested in is exporting data, so locate and click on Export Data. This will direct you to a new page where you can choose the type of data you want to export. Moving forward, look for the tab labeled Reports and give it a click. Reports are crucial for reviewing and analyzing the financial health of your business. They offer an insightful overview of various financial metrics, such as profit and loss, cash flow, and balance sheets. Selecting this option prepares your reports to be exported. Now that you've clicked on the Reports tab, it's time to head over to the Lists tab. You'll notice this right next to Reports, and it's equally important. Lists typically include vital information such as your customer details, supplier data, and product or service information. By clicking on Lists, you ensure that you're capturing a full spectrum of your business activities ready for export. The final step in this process is to actually export your data to Excel, which is the most common format for handling and analyzing large amounts of data. So, locate the Export to Excel button and click it. Shortly after, a download should begin, saving a file to your computer that can be opened and edited in Excel. This is a great way to back up your data or share it with other stakeholders who may not have access to QuickBooks. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully exported your financial data from QuickBooks into a format that you can work with in Excel. Having this data in a spreadsheet format can provide enhanced flexibility for further analysis or presentation. If you encounter any issues or need further assistance, consider consulting QuickBooks' dedicated help resources or reaching out to their support team. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has empowered you to manage your financial data seamlessly.